Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play mobile games with an Xbox controller. First, make sure your Xbox wireless controller is ready to go, either fully charged or with brand new batteries. It's also important to confirm that your mobile device, whether it's a phone or tablet, has Bluetooth capabilities. Most contemporary Xbox controllers are designed to connect wirelessly using Bluetooth technology, making the pairing process quite straightforward for many devices. Now, let's get that controller paired. Begin by opening your mobile device's settings and turning on Bluetooth. Next, grab your Xbox controller and locate the small pairing button, usually near the top. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the Xbox logo light starts rapidly flashing. On your mobile device, you should then see Xbox wireless controller appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on it to connect, and you're all set. Once connected, it's time to play. A significant number of popular mobile games now feature native support for Xbox controllers, offering a console-like experience. Always check the game's description in the App Store or its in-game settings to confirm compatibility. For some titles, you might need to manually map the controller buttons within the game's options. If a game doesn't natively support controllers, certain third-party applications can sometimes help bridge that gap, though results may vary. To ensure the best experience, here are a few tips. Always keep your mobile device's operating system updated, as this often includes improved Bluetooth stability. If you encounter connection issues, try disconnecting other Bluetooth devices to minimize interference. A simple restart of both your mobile device and the Xbox controller can often resolve minor glitches. Finally, for extended gaming sessions, consider investing in a phone clip that attaches to your controller. It provides a much more comfortable and immersive setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.